Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can download and install application on your smart TV. So here is the smart TV and I'm on the apps, and here you can see there are the apps that already installed. Search for apps and games. You can just directly search from here, but if I go down a bit and apps from my other devices, they will show here because I use the same Google ID featured apps. These are some games and recommended. So how I can access to the Play Store, all you need to do is to just simply go to the search bar, and here all you need to do is to just press this key, press and hold it, and then speak, or you can just type in as well. So I will access to Google Play Store here. Google Play Store.
Opening Play Store.
So here you can either speak or you can search here by just saying, like, I will search one application, Google Meet. So it's already in the list here, as you can see. So I will just click on it, and here is the install option. So I will just tap on install. Make sure that your TV is connected with internet, either through by Wi-Fi or a cable. So here, as you can see, the application is downloading. So the downloading has been completed. Now the application is installing. So guys, it is already installed on my smart TV. I will just tap on open the application, and here, as you can see, the application has been downloaded and installed on my smart TV. So guys, this is how you can download and install application on your smart TV. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.